In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy iPhone 16 Pro Max with installments. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are plenty of options for you to purchase an iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other model with installments. So, to manage monthly installments for an iPhone, all that you have to do is visit a specific store or carrier. For example, I'm going to show you how to do this through T-Mobile and AT&T, but you can also find it on various other different stores, even the Apple Store itself. This is just an example on how the process is done, and you can copy these steps with any other store if you find a better value deal. So all that you have to do is go over to AT&T, T-Mobile, for example, and browse through their phones. So usually they will appear on the home screen, or you can go over to Phones and Devices and then select Cell Phones. Now, on the list, you should be able to find the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you don't see the Pro Max model right away, then keep scrolling down or use the search function. Now, they will allow you to configure a lot of stuff, so you can choose the color, the size, check if you are a new customer or an existing one, and of course the most important thing is this: choose a payment option. So all that you have to do here is make sure that you select Pay Monthly. So usually, right away, you won't be due anything. So due today $0, and then you will have taxes and fees. And the payment will usually go for 12 to 24 months. So just make sure that you selected everything here. AT&T also has the exact same option. Pricing option, AT&T installment plan, $44.45 per month. And then once you have everything selected, you can proceed and finish making this purchase. It is simple to do, and most retailers or stores nowadays will give you financing options. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.